Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog from the great Sunshine State of Florida, and welcome back to another video. And if you're watching today's video, you know it's Thursday. So you know what that is? Tool Time Thursday. So today I got a new preset torque wrench for my wheels, because before I had an old school one, then I had my my snap-on one, and now I bought this Matco one that's just for wheels, since I usually take on and I'll take on, put on, take off, put on wheels all the time, especially like when I go to the track, change wheels, change setups and stuff like that. So I just have it preset, and I don't feel bad carrying this one around versus my other expensive one. So if this is your first time, or not even your first time checking out the channel, definitely tap that subscribe button down below. Tap. Like, share, thumbs up, and comment on the video. And let's get into today's Tool Time Thursday. Today's Tool Time Thursday is going to be a preset, well, ultimate preset lug nut torque wrench. That is the part number that I have. Brody, what are you doing, man? You're ruining my video, man. Get your tail out of here. So we have a ultimate preset torque wrench. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open it up. Brody's checking it out. It says do not eat. So instructions, we don't read no stinking instructions. So with this one, it has a preset of 80, 100, 120, 140, and 160. I usually torque mine down to 120 on these wheels, on the Hellcat wheels, or when I put the drag wheels on, I torque them down to 120. So this is the Matco, and there's the part number. Well, get a better, go against the contrast. Don't worry, it's my fender guard. So that's the part number right there. It's on my fender guard, so I ain't messing anything up. So this is what I'm gonna use with the car from now on. And what I'm gonna do is, so what you do, all you do is you just pull this down like that, and then you rotate it around to where you want it. So I'm gonna go to 120. All right, 120. Push that back in, and I'm gonna get my lug nut tool, and I'm gonna put it on here, and we could see how it goes from there. So that is it. I want to show you the OG one that I started with. So right here, I'll make sure I don't hit it. This is my OG, now rusty torque wrench. I don't even know if it has a name on it. I think it might have been Craftsman. I think I got it from Sears. It might have been Craftsman. I'm not sure. I think it still works, so I keep it. So there's no room. I got to back up. So this is the other one that I usually use for my lug nuts. But I said it's the snap-on digital one. So I always take the battery out so it doesn't corrode on the inside. So this one is, calibrated as digital, and I want to be tossing this around all the time. So that's why I got the one preset for the lug nuts. So let me go ahead and put this back over here. Start doing all of this with one hand. I don't know which, I think this right here is for my wheels. So let me see which one it fits over here. All right, it fits that one. We're gonna take this off, and we're gonna go around here, and we're gonna show you guys what I'm doing. Brody, what are you doing, man? So here it is. I'm gonna go ahead and demonstrate. And it has the nice length on the bent so you wouldn't have to need an extension. So I just put it on there. I put it to 120, and I already have it to 120, and this is just gonna go up. What am I doing? Oh no, I'm taking it off. I was like, what am I doing here? And you hear that click. Just like that. And you know your wheels are torqued down to 120. You spin it back, you have to worry about anything, and you could just, not to say toss this around, but you don't have to keep it in the box. But I'm gonna keep mine in the box anyway. So there it is. I set this on my little fender thing so it's not scratching up the car. But I made a look at the instructions to see what the instructions say. It just gives you like torque values of everything. And we go from there. And then that's it. So the ultimate preset lug nut torque wrench. So that's what today's video was on, the ultimate torque wrench. So the video's gonna come to an end. My daughter's over there.
Bye guys.
What do you gotta tell them to do?
Oh, like, comment, subscribe, share the link with your friends. Tell them to watch my dad's videos.
Yes. Brody, what you gotta say? I don't think Brody have anything to say. But that wraps up another Tool Time Thursday. Thank you guys for watching the videos. Definitely like, share, comment, and
subscribe
to the vids. So we're about to hit the road. Not Broad still though. Say bye to the people, Brody. Like, share, and subscribe.